Hello, welcome to AI Factory. In the last tutorial, I introduced a platform that integrates various stable diffusion models to create AI-generated influencers. It meets your needs for generating images with stable diffusion without any specific computer requirements. And it's practically free. If you haven't watched that video yet, be sure to check it out. Additionally, my channel has 4 other videos on how to use free AI tools to generate and monetize AI influencers. Today, I want to share one practical AI tool for creating AI-generated influencers. It can swap faces for specified influencers. Not only can it customize scenes, clothing, hairstyles, age, and even festive atmospheres and seasonal weather for your model to achieve character consistency, but it also generates avatars based on your character, transform images to videos, and perform video face swaps. The tool is Apob AI. You can visit its website. I'll put the link in the description column of the video. There are many user-generated models and videos on its homepage that we can refer to. Just log in with your Google account or Discord. After successfully logging in, click on Create Portrait Model to start creating your own model. You have 2 options: upload a local photo or generate a face with text. I chose to upload a picture for my model. The uploaded photos must be high resolution and clear, with the face and background free of any blurriness or clutter. For this example, I used a high-resolution photo of a handsome male model generated by AI. Assign him a name. I'll use Model 1. Adding a description is optional. Click Create your image model now to proceed. You can edit the model's profile using the pencil icon. If you prefer to keep the model private, you can disable the public option, though this requires a paid membership. For now, we'll click Maybe Later and Cancel to return to the creation page. In the center is the prompt word input box. For instance, if I type "a man wearing a jersey playing basketball on an outdoor court," you can see the input allows up to 128 characters. But what if I need to add more details? Apob offers a range of modifiers you can pre-select, like picture style, animation, 3D, black and white painting, realistic, etc. Architecture, museum, Ferris wheel, private jet, stage, swimming pool, train station, airport, etc. And landscape, hill, beach, underwater, desert, etc. It also includes options for age, clothing, and even weather settings for the photo scene, streamlining our prompt word input. Using these options, I can streamline my prompt. I delete the last paragraph and select realistic for art style, beach for landscape, middle-aged for age, sportswear for clothing, and sunset for weather. After selecting, I only need to write the main idea. Choose a size, 16 by 9 quality is best, and hit Generate. After a few seconds in the queue, the image is generated. I'll download it first. Let's take a look. Looks good. You can see the 4 pictures I generated in my history. Click on one to see its details and find the upscale option on the picture. Click it and it takes 16 credits to generate. Let me try. This is the result. Apob AI offers a complete set for our AI influencers with many options available. Each option includes a series of settings: clothing, scene, color tone, etc. I randomly chose DJ Nightclub, selected the size and best quality, and hit Generate. After waiting for the process, 4 pictures are generated. Now let's check out the image face swap. I upload my photo and a photo of an older person to see the effect. Hit Generate and let's compare. To make your prompt more specific and detailed for generating AI influencers in various scenarios, select Expert and enter the expert interface. In this large text box, you can add a detailed prompt of up to 1024 characters. Add a negative prompt, select the size and quality, and generate. Oops, I accidentally used the female prompt, but it seems to have little effect, as it still uses the male model I provided. I'll try another prompt. It's generated. Let's take a look. We can see that Apob AI maintains good character consistency. Now, let's check out the talking avatar feature. Click it, select content from the pictures you generated or upload the image you just downloaded. Click Save, then upload the audio. Finally, hit Generate. After a few seconds, it's generated. Let's check the result.
Welcome to AI Factory.
It looks pretty good. Let's try the video face swap. Upload the video, select high quality, and hit Generate. After a few seconds, we can view the result. Then, let's try the image to video. Upload an image, select high quality, and hit Generate. Let's see the result. I tried the complete set before and it was pretty good, so I downloaded them all. Let's give it another go. There are many options here, so I'll select a familiar Christmas outfit, choose an 80s and outdoor theme, and opt for 9:16, best quality. Let's see the result. Apob's image and character consistency is impressive. If you want to remove a watermark, I recommend a very useful website called BeCut. Once on the web page, click on Remove Watermark from Image. This site can also help remove watermarks from videos. Upload your image, move the frame to the watermark, resize it, click to erase, and then download. Your image will no longer have a watermark. Note that it only works on 2 files at a time, and you need to refresh the web page to process the next 2 files. Apob's image and character consistency are impressive. However, the free version only allows for creating a specified model, or you can delete it to add another model. It also supports high-definition video face swapping. If you want to create AI influencers with consistent characters, you might want to try using Apob AI. In the future, I'll share even more innovative ways to use AI tools. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. I look forward to hearing from you. See you next time.